Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm making my version of coco vin, which has been a family favorite since before I had a family. We start this chicken on the stovetop in a frying pan just to give it a little bit of color, and then it finishes in the oven in a creamy white wine sauce. Let's get started. I have a whole cut up chicken that's been sitting in buttermilk for about 4 hours. I've made this dish with just chicken wings and with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can make it with whatever cut of chicken you like best. I'm seasoning this generously with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Then it's going in flour to dredge. I'm just going to put these pieces back on the rack to dry. I'm frying these half at a time, a leg quarter, a breast, and a wing in about a 1/4 cup of oil. And I am covering these to keep the mess under control. This chicken is finishing in the oven, so we're mostly just getting a little bit of color on here. It does not have to be cooked through. These pieces are getting removed to this large baking pan. This is actually my lasagna pan. This is what they'll be cooking in. And we're going to need to drain off all but about 2 tablespoons of this oil. All right, now I've left all these brown bits in here, so now we're going to start in with the garlic. And we just want to saute this until it's translucent and tender. We don't want to brown it. Okay, that's very fragrant. That's only been about 1.5 minutes. Next in goes all of our wine. And we're going to let this reduce until it's only about 1 cup. That'll probably take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that this has reduced, we can add the rest of the ingredients for this sauce. We're stirring this until it's smooth, and then it's going on top of the chicken and into the oven for between 35 and 40 minutes. We're steaming this broccoli for just a few minutes on the stove top. It too will finish in the oven. I'm arranging this broccoli around the edge of this casserole and sprinkling it with just a little bit of melted butter and lemon juice. Then it's back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Of course, I'm going to taste this, but I'm not sure what the point is because I already know it's superb. Get a little bit of everything on here. That chicken, so tender, so flavorful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.